Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So sathanda kuthola umbiko la kuthiwa uAbdeslam Wadu ucoach Orlando Pirates bafethu usebuyile. Njobe esebuyile ke ngiyakhumbula ke indaba ezenzakalile. Ucoach wabasengozini yemoto ngosikhathi bebuya kule game eChippa United lapho khona Orlando Pirates eyawina khona against eChippa United. Abdeslam Wadu na ke usebuyile bafethu njani nimbona nje naye wayekhona kuleyo ngozi ulimele akusona isombe sihle but ke kuyajabulisa ukubona ucoach esewumqemane esebuyile ngempela yabo abantu abaningi they were rumors circulating kuthiwa uMandla Ncikazi ngenzeka abe ucoach kule game le Stellenbosch versus Orlando Pirates okuyifanele yeMTA Need singesazi ke lapho but ke ukumbona ucoach ehambile eyo prepare i-team for igame ebaluleke kakhulu kuyajabulisa impela because ama-team amaningi abadlali baba bekho uBafana Bafana njengoba bengekho nje uBafana Bafana most of i-Orlando Pirates most abadlali be-Pirates balapha kuBafana Bafana when you check abadlali be-Steelers I think umdlalo oyedwa kuphela we-Steelers obekuBafana Bafana efuna nakhona naye I think usebuyelile ku-Steelers because ulimalile uThabo Molesana I don't know if uzodlala yena namhlanje uThabo Molesana against iNigeria but ke abadlali be-Pirates most yabo bakuyi-camp iBafana Bafana because they are preparing for FIFA Club World Cup qualifiers not Club World Cup FIFA World Cup qualifiers so ukubuya kwakhe uAbdeslam Wadu uzoqoqa nje ischeme ngempela esiright ngempela ngizwile kuthiwa abadlali ababuyile nabo uSibisi usebuyile uyajima kuthiwa uMakhehleni Makhawule nawo sebuyile abafithu uyajima kuthiwa uNda akabuyi Tito Maswangaye ngathi ngizwile naye kuthiwa uyabuya umjidi yabo uNda benoxoki ibona abadlali abangakabuyi with the scheme Orlando Pirates ngingazi kwenzakalani but ke kwijima khona namhlanje uNda benoxoki ibona abadlali ade bengekho but uMaswangaye usebuyile abafethu uyajima with team uSibisi uyangijabulisa ukubona ukubuya kwaSibisi uyajima naye with team so Orlando Pirates ngempela iyobophela against Stellenbosch ngeweekend ungangitshela lapho iscore prediction sakho izophela ngoba igame mina isi Orlando Pirates ithatha futhi okwes4 iMTA Need uVanelo bafethu ungakhohlwa ungifollowa lapha Facebook Join bone nje labafethu uVane Sports lapha ka Facebook nifike lapha ningifollowe bafethu ngiyabonga for i support nalapha Instagram yatholakala